This has been a journey to get my camera to work. Not my camera, my batteries, because I charged my battery. I've been waiting for it. It said it was charged. Wasn't charged. Hey guys, so as you saw by the title, I am doing a review and a tutorial using Jeffree Star's new palette, the Bloodlust palette. This is the box it comes in. Really cool. This was like such a last minute decision to get. I wasn't gonna get it because like the colors for me, like they're very nice, but it's like I have those colors, I don't need it. And then I was at work and my friend said that they were going to the Morphe store on their break to get the palette and asked if I wanted them to get me one. And I was like, yeah. I'm extremely easily to influence. Very easily. If someone is talking good about something, I'm like, okay, I gotta have it, you know? But also, this is like such a collector's item, and I do consider my makeup a collection, and this is just like so pretty unique to me, like the packaging and everything. I decided to get it, and now you guys are getting a video out of it, so it's a win-win. So yeah, this is the box it came in. Not gonna lie, the box kind of sucks. Like it's really like beat up, and the inside, it comes in like this kind of thing. This thing is just trash. Not that you're paying for the box or anything, but yeah. Okay guys, I know you guys have seen this, but oh my god, this packaging is literally incredible. So stunning, so unique. Like, I'm obsessed with this, and that's why I'm like, yeah, I need to get it, because this packaging is so nice. Like, I could literally just like display this. It's so pretty, so pretty. So it is like a purple velvet, which I have never seen a palette with velvet packaging. Pretty cool. It has this little gold clasp here, which is nice. I love the Jeffree Star symbol, like with the crown. So nice. This packaging is just incredible. You open it up, you got a mirror. I still have the little like plastic on it, so that's why it looks all scratched up. But here is the shadows. Give you guys a close look. So lots of really pretty like purple tones and stuff. Now the one thing I don't like that Jeffree Star does, which is just a personal preference thing, is he throws in these kind of like random colors that like don't really have anything to do with the color scheme. Like, there is no way I am using purple tones with this like teal bluish green and then this like army green shade. Like, I'm not going to use that. But it is what it is. I feel like he does it just because it makes the palette kind of like stand out a little bit more. But for me, they're just wasted shades. I don't really wear green, and it's just not like, I don't feel like I can get a completed look with that. But like the rest of these colors, these purples and pinks and all of that, so incredibly stunning. This middle shade is incredible. You already know that's what we're using today. So yeah, we're just gonna get into the tutorial. So just like my last video, my Jaclyn Hill and Morphe review, I'm gonna do the tutorial first, and then I'll at the end get into like what I thought about the palette, how everything performed, and at least that way like you can kind of see along the way how everything is working and if there is any issues. I have majority of my face makeup done already except for like highlighter. Face details will be down in the description box. We're gonna prime. I'm using my Anastasia eye primer. If you saw my last video, I talked enough about this primer. I really love it, especially when I'm working with colorful shades. So I'm using that today. So I'm not setting this because it's going to make these shades just really pop and be really pigmented. So we're just gonna leave it like that. So first I'm gonna go in with just like a smaller brush so I can kind of get right in the crease. I'm gonna go in with Vivid Mood. No, yes, Vivid Mood. It's just a really pretty like pastel lilac kind of color. I'm going to take this right into the crease. When I'm working with colors like this, I like to kind of just pack it on and then blend it out so that I have the most intensity from it. I almost forgot. We're going to put a little bit of loose powder on the under eyes just in case there is fallout. We don't want it to ruin the face makeup that I already did. So far, love this shade. Really, really love this like tone of purple that we have going on. I'm just going to take a like fluffy crease brush and I'm going to take that shade and just like blend it up a little bit. I'm going to use that same brush and I'm going in with High King. So it's just going to kind of like warm up that tone a little bit. On a flat shader brush, I'm going to take Blood Queen, which is just a deep purple, like a grape purple. And I'm going to pack this on the outer corner. Honestly, this look is pretty simple, but it's going to be really pretty at the same time. One thing I want to note, like this is really impressive for purple shades. If you have never used purple eyeshadow or don't know much about it, purple shades, from what I have heard, are very, very difficult shades to create. A lot of times they're very patchy, they just don't have a lot of pigment to them, they don't stick well. So having like a full kind of purple themed palette is definitely a bit of a risk. Like you need to have a good formula for these to work, and I think they're doing such a good job. I'm not having issues. Like everything's really easy to blend, everything's very pigmented, nothing's patchy. Like so good, so good. I'm gonna take the shade Pink Magic, which is this beautiful like bright pink purple kind of shimmer. It is absolutely stunning, and I'm going to apply that on my brush, and I am going to wet it because that's what I do with every metallic eyeshadow. That's just how I like to do it. And we're going to apply this on the inner half. I didn't cut the crease for this, so I basically just kind of create my own cut crease by just kind of applying it in a like cut crease kind of way. If that kind of makes sense. You can see like I'm not messily applying this. I'm doing a very kind of precise line right where my crease is. This shade is stunning. Wow, it's so eye-catching. Woo, so pretty. I'm going to take more of Blood Queen, so that really deep purple, and just re-intensify the outer portion here. I'm going to take a clean blending brush and I'm going in with Your Majesty, which is pretty much just like a white shade. And I'm just using this to go over the edges and just really blend and blur any harsh lines. Oh my god. What the heck happened here? How long has that been there? What the actual heck? Pretty simple look, like it really didn't require much effort, but as you can see, like it's still very eye-catching and it really pops, and like it just stands out because the colors are so pretty, so simple. It doesn't take that much time, but still such a beautiful look. Super happy with how everything performed. As you can see, there's a little bit of fallout, nothing major, like nothing that would have completely ruined my makeup or anything like that. I don't really mind fallout, to be honest. It's not a big deal as long as the shades are pigmented, they're easy to use. That's all that really matters to me. I'm just gonna wipe all that powder off. So as usual, just kind of applying the same shades, going in with Vivid Moon, that first shade that we use. I'm just going to blend this across my lower lash line. And then going in with High King, that second shade, and just applying that right over top. And then on a smaller pencil brush, I'm going in with Blood Queen, the deep purple. So I'm gonna highlight the brow bone. I think for fun, since we didn't get to play around with too much, I'm gonna take the Crown, which is a very light kind of purple, that shade there, and we're gonna use that to highlight the brow bone. I can't tell if I ruined the look by doing that or if it looks okay, but it's too late to go back. I'm gonna highlight the inner corner with that same shade. I'm gonna do my lashes off camera and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, the look is done. I feel like this video was very just simple, which I mean it was. This is a pretty simple look, but I really love the results. I love these colors, they're so pretty. I feel like my eyes just like kind of pop with these like cooler purpley kind of tones. I love this so much. Also lashes are, I believe they're the style Anna by Tiffany Teal collection. I do have a code with them, which I'll have in the bio. These are so pretty. I love them so much. Okay, give you guys a bit of a closer look at this. I'm obsessed with this pink shade. It is so pretty. I'm gonna use this so much. And yeah, the purple is blended out so nicely, like super good. I'm so impressed, but it's like I also wasn't expecting anything less. That's probably why I'm not showing so much excitement, because I knew it was going to be good. It's Jeffree Star. If you like the shades, or if you are a collector, you love the packaging, like, recommend. This palette's so good. I haven't used, I mean, I hate seeing myself in the mirror. Ew. I haven't used, you know, all of the shades, obviously. I still have some other ones I want to play around with and do some more looks with, but everything performed great, just like I knew it would, and I absolutely love this packaging. I just think it's so unique and so stunning, and yeah, so Jeffree for sure. So definitely recommend this palette if you were considering picking it up. I say go ahead, do it if it's still available. If you guys want to see more looks or like know anything about specific shades or like a look with specific shades, whatever it is, let me know in the comments below. I can do that for you. Also follow me on Instagram, you guys. I've been posting a lot more there recently, and I post like my makeup and everything. So if you just need like inspo or stuff, it's in the description box. Go follow me, I'd really appreciate it. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe. I'm trying to get back into the YouTube thing, but I'm inconsistent. Trying to get back into it. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel and also give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.